I love what I do because it's all about discovery. So there's nothing to me that's more enjoyable than finding out new facts about how cells work that we didn't know before. So many times in my career, we've stumbled upon things that nobody previously knew, and that for me is the exhilarating part of it. My name is Eric Hendrickson. I'm a professor of medicine in the division of Hematology and Oncology, and my laboratory works on mammalian DNA double-strand break repair, which is related to a variety of human disorders, aging, cancer, immune deficiencies. Our research is related to human health because DNA repair is intimately involved in a large number of human disorders, from the dysregulation of your immune system to aging phenotypes to cancer predisposition. And my lab tries to understand the basic processes of repair that are dysregulated in those diseases. And then at the same time, you can use DNA repair in personalized medicine to go in and correct some of those mistakes in patients and cure them of their disease. And that is personalized medicine or gene editing.